Let's unravel a common conundrum when you're pulled over by a police officer on private property. Imagine you're turning into your driveway, and before you know it, the red and blue lights flash behind you. And your immediate thought is, can they still impound my car? And let's delve deep into this. And first off, law enforcement officers are bound by legal protocols, which still apply even if you're on private property. But yes, there's a tricky line between public roads and private driveways, but the law has carved its way to ensure public safety leads. Understanding this is crucial. One common pain point is knowing where the public road ends and private property begins. And if you're on a side street or driveway, confusion reigns. And how do you prove you are on private property? This line is often blurred, adding to the stress of the situation. If the officer believes the car was involved in illegal activity, or if there's probable cause, they might still decide to impound your vehicle. Whether it's a DUI suspicion or expired registration, these reasons transcend property lines. Always be prepared for these scenarios. Imagine the complexity if you were trying to evade arrest or flee into your driveway. At that point, private property doesn't shield you. Officers might consider impounding the car to prevent potential evidence, tampering, or escape. This idea highlights the severity of the situation. Now let's pivot to your rights. Again, you have the right to ask the officer for the reason behind the potential impoundment. Knowledge is not just power, it's protection. And never hesitate to document the incident or request the presence of a supervisor if the situation escalates. Did you know that in 2023, over 500,000 vehicles were impounded nationwide? Many could have been avoided with proactive legal awareness and proper document management. Always have your driver's license, insurance, and car registration within arm's reach to dodge pitfalls. Here's a pro tip: install a dash cam. Backed by real-time footage, you create a concrete timeline of events. This protection serves as a witness, reducing speculative narratives that could potentially harm your case. It's an investment with substantial dividends. It's also crucial to stay calm and collected. Aggressive behavior or desperate arguments rarely serve well in these moments. Remember, you're in the driver's seat metaphorically in guiding how the interaction proceeds. So, clear communication can de-escalate the tense environment. If your car gets impounded, understand the process to retrieve it. This typically involves contacting the towing company, paying associated charges, and possibly attending a court hearing. Yes, it's a hindrance, but knowing the steps minimizes frustration. Consulting with a legal professional can illuminate any shadows of doubt. Many offer free consultations where they spell out your rights and potential pathways. Always weigh the cost of a potential impound against the fee for legal advice, a calculated move that could save you significantly. In the gray zones of law and enforcement, knowledge equips you to steer clear of unfortunate encounters. Keep informed, stay alert, respect the process, and prepare for the unexpected. And it's not just about the car, it's about owning your rights while on the road. And